Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna explore the numbers in Indonesian language from 1 to 100. By the end of this video, you'll be able to count in Indonesian and recognize number patterns that will help you memorize them more easily. Let's dive in.
Satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima, enam, tujuh, delapan, sembilan, sepuluh. Satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima, enam, tujuh, delapan, sembilan, sepuluh.
Now, let's learn the numbers from 11 to 19. The trick here is to add
Plus
after the base number.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now let's move on to the tens, 20, 30, 40, and so on. In Bahasa Indonesia, we add the word puluh after the base number. Let's go through them. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now that we know the tens, we can combine them with the numbers 1 to 9 to count up to 99. I'll go through a few examples and you can follow along. 21, 32, 45, 56, 67, 78, 89. Just add the number to the 10 and you have got it. Simple, right? Okay, my friend, you have done great so far. So now let's continue. Do you know how to say 100 in Bahasa? If you don't know, you are gonna know. So to say 100 in Bahasa Indonesia, we say 100, 100. I guess that's all for today. I hope that you found this video enjoyable and informative as well. Thank you so much. Terima kasih.